This video provides a tutorial on how to run pyCapsid on the cloud using Google Colab. For detailed instructions, we recommend reading the description and the Quick Start Guide. This video will only provide a short summary of the necessary steps. The first thing you need to do is specify the input structure you wish to analyze. This example is a structure from the protein databank with the PDB ID 7S21. Next, you need to set pyCapsid's model parameters. We will be using the default parameters, which are a UENM model at 200 low-frequency modes. For the number of clusters we will be analyzing, we will try numbers of clusters from 4 to 130 with a step of 2. We also choose to download a summarized report of the results, but not the complete set of the results. Next, go to Runtime and hit Run All. Ignore the warning and run the notebook. It takes about 6 minutes for pyCapsid to analyze this structure. Go to the Downloads section and wait for the downloads to start. Your browser may prompt you to select a location to save the file. In my case, it simply placed it in my Downloads folder. You can also manually download any of the other results using the Files tab. Once you've downloaded the report file, you can extract the contents. It will contain an HTML, Markdown, and Word doc version of the report. This is what the HTML version of the report looks like when opened in a web browser. The report includes a documented summary of the key figures and results. The visualizations of the molecular structures will be missing from the report. We recommend using Chimera X to generate these figures, which we cover in a separate tutorial. For further info, see pyCapsid's online documentation, the guides provided in the Colab notebook, and the README files provided with the results.